Hi, I'm Jason, and I'm going to guide you through each step of the installation process. In a few short steps, you and your family will be enjoying your new American Standard Undermount sink.
Remember to take your time, take a break, or re-watch a step whenever you need to. Before we begin, I like to make sure I have everything that I will need, organized and within reach. I find this helps make the install as smooth as possible. At this point, you can remove all contents from the package and lay them on a flat surface nearby. You'll want to double check that all required pieces are included. Gather all the required tools and keep them in your work area. While not required, I like to keep some old towels or rags around. You might need them to catch some water or for a quick cleanup. If you haven't done so already, make sure you turn off the hot and cold water supply. Okay, so with our prep work complete, it looks like we're ready to start. Using the template provided, locate the position of the sink on the counter. Be sure to provide proper clearance under the countertop for the faucet supply lines, the drain assembly, and the structural parts of the cabinet. Place the sink temporarily into the template and check for alignment and clearance. Mark the sink and countertop in several places to provide you with a guide for the installation location. Drill a clearance hole inside the perimeter line of the template. Now, cut an opening around the perimeter of the template. Place the sink temporarily into the template and check for alignment and clearance. The mounting kit is supplied with each sink. It includes the brackets, inserts, and fasteners. Consult your countertop supplier to use the proper inserts and fasteners depending on the type of countertop material. Mark the sink and countertop to provide you with a guide for the installation location. Locate and drill the mounting hole for the insert, following your countertop supplier's suggestion. The mounting hole should allow even spacing of mounting brackets around the sink. Apply sealant to the rim of the sink near the inside edge. Now, using the marks you made as a guide, carefully place the sink in position. Follow the instructions from your countertop supplier in order to tighten the mounting hardware evenly. Do not over-tighten. Wipe away any excess sealant and allow to cure. Mount the faucet and strainer assembly following the manufacturer's instructions. Tighten connections to the faucet for a secure seal.
Okay, so if everything is dry and working, your installation is complete. Just a little cleanup, and then you're ready to enjoy the everyday beauty and function of your new American Standard sink.